Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make Turai ki bhujia in the Instant Pot. This is an easy zucchini curry, and for this recipe you're going to need 2 large zucchini which have been peeled and sliced into rounds. You're going to need 1 medium onion which has been sliced thinly. You're also going to need 2 large tomatoes which have been peeled and chopped. You're going to need, for your spices, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of red chili powder, and a half teaspoon of red chili flakes. You're going to need a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. You're also going to need a half cup of water. So to begin, we're going to set our Instant Pot to saute mode on high, and then we're going to add some oil and our sliced onions. You're going to saute the onions until they're translucent, and then you're going to add the tomatoes and the spices. You're going to saute this very nicely for about 7 to 10 minutes, depending on how stubborn your tomatoes are, I guess. And your goal is to kind of get this mixture to be kind of mushy. So once the mixture starts sticking to the bottom, you're going to add your zucchini rounds and give this a good saute to kind of cook the zucchini with the masala. So you're going to saute this for about 5 minutes. At this point, you're going to add a half cup of water, give that a good stir, and close the Instant Pot lid and set the vent to sealed position. You're going to set the Instant Pot on manual high pressure for 3 minutes and quick release it when the timer is done. So here you can see I'm using a glove to protect my hand, and then once I open the vent, I place the glove on top so that the steam isn't spurting everywhere. And here, once the pressure has dropped, the pin will also drop, allowing us to open the lid. So once you open the lid, you'll see that the zucchini has completely cooked through and the tomatoes and onions have perfectly caramelized into the curry. And at this point, you can go ahead and serve it, or like most people, if you like the curry to be thicker, you can saute this on high for another 5 minutes or so, and when you're ready to serve it, place a handful of green coriander leaves on top and serve this with either a brown bread, brown pita bread, or on top of rice. And there you have it. I hope you guys try this recipe out. If you liked the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!